It doesn't matter how amazing you are. It doesn't matter what you bring to the table. It doesn't matter how beautiful you are, how much he actually loves and wants you. If this happens, he's gone. He's gone. All right, here is what to do when he pulls away. I'm laughing because it always happens. It is normal. I am going to say this. It is very, very normal for guys to pull away when things start getting serious. I actually don't know a man that doesn't do this. I think it's common. I think men beat themselves up for it and feel bad, like they have, used women or whatever, and they can't figure it out. They start getting very frustrated with themselves. I've had multiple men express this to me, like, I don't know what's wrong with me. When it starts getting serious, I freak and I run. So I want to say to both male and female, if you're a dude that keeps pulling away, know that that's normal. It actually takes a man a lot longer to process deep connection and to process what it would entail to take on a wife, kids, all the responsibilities, home, mortgage, work. Can I balance it all, right? That is very normal and very common. Problem is, we got attachment wounds. And typically what happens, things are going great, you're falling in love, it's amazing, it's just this like, yes, everything's perfect. And as it gets deeper and deeper and deeper, typically a guy just needs a minute to process everything, a minute to be like, do I have this, right? The man is the container, the strong container. Can I hold this? Can I care for this? Can I balance everything and have this? Is it safe? All the things. When he pulls away, most girls feel like it's about them, and they think, he doesn't like me anymore, he's seeing someone else, he was just using me, he just wanted my body and that's all he was here for, all of that, right? This is the girl's brain spiraling. You also go to primal female. Back in the day, you take away a man, you take away safety, you take away a home, you take away food. I mean, you take away her survival if the man leaves. So woman has primal fears associated with this, even though we're in a current day where she's got a roof, she's got food, she's got money, she's got what she needs, but primal brain is freaking. We're not safe, right? And then it's attachment wounds of, I'm not enough. Basic bottom line, I'm not enough, he's leaving, this is over, and heart is breaking. It could literally be 24 hours and her world is crumbling, right? So I want to make this video to, first of all, just shine light on the fact that if you're in a relationship with a guy, at some point he's going to pull away, and you have to understand and know how to regulate your nervous system, because if you chase him like a rubber band without even knowing what's going on, he'll keep walking like it's no. Whereas what could have been, oh, I need to take a break, and then I'm just like, I cannot live without her, coming back to, this is amazing, thank you for the minute. Instead of that, which is what he probably would have done, it's this stepping away, chase, stepping away, chase, step until you literally, it's like, no, I cannot do this. Because not only does he have the relationship, he has to provide. He's got his own business, his own shit. He has so much on his plate to be a man that to have the chase coming after him, it's an instant no. It doesn't matter how amazing you are. It doesn't matter what you bring to the table. It doesn't matter how beautiful you are, how much he actually loves and wants you. If this happens, he's gone. He's gone. He's just gone. So, here's what to do instead. You have this amazing connection. This thing is going great. He starts pulling away. Just give him space. Learn from me. Learn from my mistakes. Give him space. If there is anything said, it's take your time. I'm here if you need anything. I support you in whatever you're working towards. Oftentimes, they might just need to refocus on whatever goal they're trying to accomplish, get a few things, especially if they've been really entrenched in the relationship and kind of, swimming in the depths of the connection with you. There's some things they gotta catch up on. It could be as simple as housework. It could be as simple as getting work, back in order, whatever. It doesn't matter. To support him in that and say, take care of whatever you need. And for you to actually mean it and actually have your own shit going that matters to you, things that you are building, all of that will make him feel safe, supported, like, oh my God, she really is the one for me. Because you can maintain a regulated nervous system in that moment and you have your own stuff going. And this is where it's really important. I made a video about an anchor. This is where it's really important that your anchor is not in a man. That tuning into him and what he wants and trying to make him happy and tuning into the relationship and having the relationship be your only thing is very wobbly, and it will destroy. There can be two people very perfect for each other, soulmate, perfect love, but without this anchor, it gets wobbly and it's like a bike falling over. So for all the females out there who have this same repeated pattern where you fall in love and then he leaves, take it from me, find your anchor. Find whatever that is. If it's your own goals, if it's your own friendships, your kids. It can't be people though. Like, here's the deal. The only anchor that I have found worthy of that's really actually stable is God or a goal, long-term goal. To me, they're one and the same because my long-term goal is divinely aligned. So God is guiding me to that. So that's what I would choose for you if I could choose for you, to lean into your God-given purpose on earth and have that be your anchor point, and find someone who's also headed in that same place. That way, when there's a break, some time, maybe they go away on a business trip or whatever, they need to focus on work for a day or a weekend or a week or whatever, you're still both doing this and you feel safe and secure because you're headed in a similar direction and you both know it. And you have this momentum together and it's bonding even if you're not together. For all of my girls, my anxiously attached girls, establish that anchor and then establish what to do when you start feeling abandonment. recognize that that is a deep-seated belief that you are not enough and that they're not actually going to choose you, that you're not worthy of being chosen. That it's crazy because someone can walk away for a minute, and in my mind, it's like they're gone forever. Like they're never coming back. They'll never call me again. I will never see them again. That's a trigger. It's a way bigger reaction than to reality and what's actually happening. To get anchored into your own heart and say, I see you freaking out. He is coming back. He needs a minute. Give him his time. Focus on whatever you love. Focus on creating art. Focus on creating videos. Focus on reading and learning about love and relationships. Focus on your kids and adventures. Focus on your work. You have to have a game plan ahead of time, because the reality is it's going to happen, and it's not dangerous really until you start doing the chasing. Then it's catastrophic. So also, I just want to say this. If he's pulling away because you're not for him, you don't want to convince him. What kind of life is it to constantly try and convince someone that you're worthy of their love if they don't love you? To anchor yourself in your own heart, in your own value, to know your value, to know where you're headed, to work towards that, and just find peace in God and find peace in your purpose. There will be someone who rides the bike with you, and you will have that momentum, you'll have that anchor, and you won't be wobbly and falling and chasing and doing this dance. It will just be this beautiful ride together. So that is my advice. Find an anchor, find what you love to do. Have those things just be your routine, and don't stop them when a man comes in. Harder, easier said than done. I know, because some of us just love love and enjoy basking in the feelings of it, right? Don't let him be your anchor. And don't let his moods make you feel like you've got to adjust yourself somehow. Let him have his moods. And just let him know. Do what you need to do. I've got you, and I'm here. I support you in what you're working towards. Let me know if you need anything. And then give it time. Give it space. Let things grow at their own pace. Rhyming. This is the work of the anxiously attached woman. Good luck. If you need help with any of this and really want to drop into what are your traumas that are causing you to be so nervous when a man takes his space, I would love to help you. So I do group coaching. All of it's online on Zoom on Wednesdays, and I do one-on-one coaching. So feel free to come and see me, book your session below.